Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Angular. We'll start by creating a new component using the Angular CLI, a powerful tool that streamlines development. The command ing generate component myNewComponent tells the CLI to generate a new component with the name myNewComponent. This simplifies our work by creating a series of files for us: the component's TypeScript file for logic, an HTML file for the template, a CSS file for styling, and a spec file for testing. Once the command is executed, the CLI creates a new directory under the app folder with the name myNewComponent containing all the necessary files. Additionally, it takes care of declaring our component in the nearest module, which is typically the app module. If, for any reason, you need to declare the component manually, you would start by importing it into the module where you want to use it. Here, we are importing myNewComponent from its location within the project structure. The next step is to add myNewComponent to the declarations array of the add-ing module decorator in the app module. This array informs Angular about which components are included in this module. By declaring myNewComponent, we make it available for use throughout this module. It's essential to ensure that each component is declared in exactly one Angular module. Otherwise, we could run into compilation errors. Angular's modular system organizes the application into cohesive blocks of functionality. After the module updates, the new component is ready to be used anywhere in the application templates.